Hi students, in network topologies, now we are discussing mesh topology. In mesh topology, there are two types. First one is full mesh topology and second one is partial mesh topology. Now we can discuss full mesh topology. What is meant by full mesh topology? In this topology, all nodes are connected to each other node directly in the network. In this topology, all nodes are connected to each other node directly in the network. That means we can see here one node is connecting to the all other nodes. This is the full mesh topology. In the full mesh topology, the number of connections in this network can be calculated using the following formula. The formula is n of n minus 1 divided by 2. Here n is the number of computers in the network. This topology also provides data security, and the network can continue to the function even in the failure of one of the links. That means if one link is failed, then the network can continue to the other links, and fault identification is easy. This is the full mesh topology diagrammatic representation. These are the nodes. Node 1, node 2, node 3, node 4. Each node is connected to the all other nodes directly. Diagrammatic representation of full mesh topology. Next, we can discuss partial mesh topology. What is meant by partial mesh topology? All the nodes are not connected directly and only a few nodes are connected. That means we can see here all nodes are not connected directly. This means this node is not connected to the all other nodes to, and only few nodes are connected directly to this node. It is an inexpensive way to implement redundancy in a network. It is a inexpensive way to implement redundancy in a network. If one of the primary computers or connections in the network fails, the rest of the network continues to operate normally. If one of the connection is failed, then the other connections will continue the data transformation normally. This is the partial mesh topology and diagrammatic representation. These are the nodes. This is the partial mesh topology. Advantages of mesh topology. First one is manages high amounts of traffic. It manages high amounts of traffic because multiple devices can transmit the data simultaneously. Manages high amounts of traffic because uh, multiple devices can transmit the data simultaneously. Next advantage is a failure of one device does not cause a break. Does not cause a break in the network or transmission of data. In transmission of data, a failure of one device does not cause a break in the network or transmission of data. That means if one device is failed, it does not affect on the transmission of data. Adding additional devices adding additional devices does not disrupt data transmission between other devices. Adding additional devices does not disrupt data transmission between other devices. That means if you add additional devices, it does not affect on the data transmission between other devices. Next, disadvantages. Disadvantages in mesh topology. Cost to implement is higher than other network topologies. Cost to implement is higher than other network topologies, making it a less desirable option. Building and maintaining the topology is difficult and time consuming. Building and maintaining the topology is difficult and time consuming. The chance of redundant connections is high, which adds to the high costs and potential for reduced efficiency. The chance of redundant connections is high, which adds to the high costs and potential for reduced efficiency. These are the disadvantages of mesh topology. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe my channel, click bell icon, like and share.